Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into photography or just love making your photos look next level, then you've definitely heard of Skylum Luminar Neo, one of the most powerful AI-powered photo editing tools out there. Today, I've got something super exciting for you. Exclusive coupon codes for 2025 that can save you some serious money. And trust me, you don't want to miss these. But before we jump into the codes, a quick heads up. I've placed the most updated Luminar Neo coupon code link right in my description. That link always gets refreshed with the latest working discounts and promotions from Skylum. So if you want to make sure you're getting the biggest savings possible, go check that out after watching this video. All right, let's get into it. Here are some codes you can try right now. LUMI25 off. Get 25% off your Luminar Neo subscription or one-time purchase. Neo AI 20. Save 20% instantly on any Luminar Neo plan. Photo 10. Take an additional $10 off when you upgrade your plan. Creative 2025. Special deal for 2025. Grab up to 30% off bundles. Now, a quick pro tip. Sometimes these codes might be limited or change depending on your region. That's why I always recommend using the link in my description. This automatically gives you the most up-to-date working promo, no guessing, no expired codes. If you're new to Luminar Neo, let me quickly break down why it's worth investing in. Unlike traditional editors, this tool is AI-driven, meaning you don't have to spend hours manually tweaking every detail. Want to replace a sky? Done in one click. Need to remove background clutter? Just hit the erase tool. And my favorite, Relight AI, which fixes lighting in portraits and landscapes like magic. It's built for both beginners and pros who want to edit faster without losing quality. So whether you're a casual creator posting on Instagram, a YouTuber looking for that perfect thumbnail, or even a professional photographer, Luminar Neo helps you create stunning edits without the steep learning curve of traditional software. Now, before you head off, here's the deal. Don't wait too long. These codes tend to expire quickly, and Skylum rotates their promotions often. Use one of the codes I shared, but if you really want to guarantee the best discount available today, click that link in the description. It's your one-stop shop for updated Luminar Neo deals. All right, guys, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment if one of these codes worked for you, and of course, subscribe for more money-saving tips and deals on the best creative tools out there. Thanks for watching, happy editing, and I'll see you in the next one.